unboxing samples. Let's check them out. We are checking out some of the goodies that I got from TikTok and Amazon. So let's check out the first box. I think this one is from TikTok, and this is the Ordinary Toning Solution. Each one of these products will have a video on my page, and you'll be able to see it and get it if you want it. Let's go to the next package. This looks like the nail glue by Luxie. Are you seeing it? Oh yes, there it is. Nail glue by Luxie. Yep, this is from Amazon. This is a rotating thing for when I'm doing my life. We'll check it out in a video. Just going through the products right now. What is this? Oh, this is for my grandson. I'll be doing a video on this. This is supposed to be a talking machine with the cards, different cards. So we'll be trying that out later on. Here is the other box. I think this is from Amazon. Items that I got. This is, they got to be face weight remover, the Nola hair glue set, and some Cetaphil. What's this? This feels like, oh, this is a Spanish one. So I got English and Spanish for him. It looks like in there. The device and the cards. Look out for those videos. I think this is the popular Devaro Goalie supplement from the TikTok shop. Yes, it is. Look out for that video. We'll be trying these and let you know how I feel. And this is no BS. We don't even have to look in the box. This is the tablet toothpaste. No BS tablet toothpaste. All these products will be in different videos on my page, so you can check it out. They'll have the product link to get them, so you can always check them out there. And we have another one. I don't know what this is either. This looks like it's from TikTok. Oh, ew. Wow, it's here. We're gonna try these out, chill call for my video with this product right here. Alright, you're gonna be stopped right about now, so I'll just give you some time to stop. We got this big box right here, and I already opened it and then take the product out. It is an electric blanket, well, electric hoodie. We're definitely going to check that one out. This, I don't even want to open it. Look out for the video. I'm not even opening it, just look out for the video. Alright, let's do the next one. I gotta do that video tomorrow. Oh, yes. I've been missing these. If you know, you know. This is the antibiotic toothpaste. This, I've been wondering what it is. This is looking like that sweater thing that, this is a TikTok thing too. Wow. Alright. Check out my videos. Make sure you check out my videos. And this is the Varo hoodie, all-in-one hoodie, comfort hoodie, or hoodie blankets. This is it. We'll be unboxing that. We'll be opening out, letting you see how it looks. Alright, I think we have one last thing. We'll be unboxing the main box right now. I think we're gonna unbox the big one now. Big guy. This right here. This one right here in this box. And this is the Varo. This is the Varo vibrating plate from Mirage. This is their vibrating plate. This is okay. So we got the plug, I got the straps, we got the remote, and we got the batteries. Let's get rid of the box. And here is the user manual. Here, let me give you a close-up detail of what the surface of this is. As you can see, it has various different symbols of what you can do how you should do it. And this is the LED screen. That's the brand. This is what the bottoms look like. The bottom looks like. And here, this is where the plugs are, where you plug it in, turn it on and off. That is a full view of this Merch vibrating plate right now. I will be doing a demonstration of how to use it, but this is its unboxing. So check it out in the link below.